Welcome to this meditation guiding you into journeying inwards, connecting to your soul and connecting to yourself in love and in light. First thing I want you to do is just shut your eyes, get yourself nice and comfortable, nice and relaxed. And again, I don't want you to worry or stress about anything that's around you or anything that you've got to do tomorrow or about your past. I just want you to be present. I want you to take notice of yourself right here, right now. And the first steps we're going to do to take notice of ourselves and to connect to ourselves is be aware of ourselves right here, right now, in this moment in time. I want you to take a nice, slow, deep breath in through the nose. And when you do, I want you to acknowledge all that air going in the nose, down the throat, and into the lungs. Really pay attention to your body doing the basics and working it to keep it going, to keep the energy flowing and keeping your physical self alive as well. So you can do this in your own time or you can do this with me. Take a nice, slow, deep breath in now. Really fill them lungs up and feel all that air going into your lungs and nice and slowly release out. Again, feel that air, feel all that no longer needs in your body be released out through the mouth. And again, on the next inhale breath, I want you to really fill up your lungs and expand your stomach out. Feel your body working, doing its basic needs every day of breathing. Really feel it on your next breath. You can do this by yourself or you can follow me. Take a nice deep breath in now, nice and slow. And a nice and slow exhale breath out. Really feel that stomach relaxing. Really feel that body relaxing on the exhale breath. And again, I want you to really feel the body absorbing and just really connecting to the air and helping you have the oxygen in your blood when you breathe in. Really feel and connect to your body. And on the exhale breath, I want you is to let go and release. I want you to really let go of all that stress and that worry, like as if all the stress and worry is coming out of your mouth, out in that breath, and evaporating in the air. Now again, you can do this in your own time or you can follow me. Take a nice, slow, deep breath in, filling up them lungs, expanding the stomach out. Holding it for a couple of seconds, and exhaling out. Releasing and letting go of all that negativity, stress, or whatever is bothering you, let it go. When you take that exhale breath out, it's like as if you're letting go of a balloon and the balloon is just flying away. Floating away, taking your cares and your troubles and your worries away with it. And again, really feel your body in everything. Feel it, breathe in that air. And on the exhale breath again, feel your body relaxing. Feel your arms and your muscles start to feel heavy as they relax. Feel your mind starting to calm down and pay attention to your body. Not what is around you, just purely to your body. So again, do this in your own time or follow me. Take a nice deep breath in. And a nice exhale breath out and relax. Let go and relax. Sink into that chair or wherever you are. Just feel your body just getting heavier as it relaxes in this moment in time. Forgetting about everything. You're just concentrating on the moment here and now with your mind and your body. Having control over your body and allowing your body to relax and to be in the moment. And I want you to acknowledge how much you are relaxing, how much it really is letting you feel like, I feel nice and relaxed. And you start to feel calm and at peace. You're starting to feel that so much more at ease with yourself. You feel that you're so relaxed with every in-breath that you take in now and every exhale breath that you do. Feel as if your body and your mind is connecting as one, feeling relaxed, feeling good, feeling strong, and feeling amazing in this moment in time now. Not worried about a single thing apart from connecting to yourself. I want you just for a second to say to yourself, wow, feeling this relaxed is amazing. Feeling this calm is beautiful. Feeling this energy is peaceful. And as your mind is connecting to your body, feel that beautiful energy now come closer and closer to you. Feel all the beautiful energy that you have got and you have created in this beautiful room that you are in now come closer and closer and closer to you, like as if it's wrapping you up in a beautiful, comfortable, warm blanket. And as this energy is covering you and making you feel nice and relaxed, I want you to feel your spirit within yourself. As you take a nice in breath, as you take that nice deep inwards breath, feeling within yourself that you are feeling lighter. The body and the mind are connected as they connect to each other and feel at peace and relaxed. You're now going to start to feel your spirit feeling lighter and happier and more positive within yourself. I want you to really take the next inhale breath and really feel your spirit within yourself. They say your spirit connects by the heart. To feel as if around your heart or your heart itself becomes light, becomes more positive. You might even feel the beats even more than ever. There is nothing wrong and there's nothing right. Everybody is unique and different. But as long as it makes you feel at peace and feel lighter within yourself, you are on the right tracks. And again, take a nice slow inhale breath now. Hold it and exhale out. And feel yourself inside go feeling lighter, becoming lighter. You feel as if you're connecting your mind, your body, now to the spirit. Your spirit is the most powerfulest energy of them all. Feel as if you are connecting to yourself, like as if you've just put a plug into the socket. Fits in perfectly, and it feels that you have that beautiful connection with every inhale breath that you do, that you feel that connection even more, and it is perfect, slotted together. It's like as if you're in a perfect circle. The top is your mind, the bottom is your circle, the circle of the body, and then it goes back to the top, connecting it as a whole. And as that circle connects as a whole, that is your mind, body and spirit connected together. And I want you to feel that love and that positivity for yourself as you connect as a whole, as a perfect circle. And every exhale breath that you do now, I want you to tell yourself, tell your soul, your body, your mind, something positive, something loving. You could say to yourself, I am a beautiful person, or a soul, or just an amazing person. When you take that nice deep breath in, you can do this in your own time or you can do it with me. Take a nice slow inhale breath now and tell yourself something amazing about yourself. So breath and exhale out. And feel and embrace that positivity that you've given yourself. And again, take a nice inhale breath in, nice and slow, and give yourself positivity again. So breath, exhale out. Good, well done. And with every time that you take that inhale breath, keep telling yourself something different but of positivity. And start to feel and acknowledge that love. That as you connect to yourself in a perfect circle, feel that love, feel that amazing energy that is coming to you now. Not just by Mother Nature, the universe, but also from the spirit world to yourself. Feel that positive energy. Feel that love. And again, with the next inhale breath, tell yourself something that will give you strength and courage for the week to come. You could take an inhale breath and say, I am strong and I can overcome any challenges. Or you can say, I am strong that nothing will break me down. And again, take an inhale breath now and say that to yourself. And again, exhale out when you have said what you needed to say. Well done. You are doing amazing. You are connecting to yourself on such a high vibration now. Connecting on the vibration of love. And again, with that inhale breath, I want you to say something positive, but on the exhale breath, I want you to say to yourself or in your mind or out loud that you are cutting the cords to negativity. So take a breath now, say something positive about yourself, and on the exhale say out loud or in your mind that you cut all ties to negativity. And again, relax. And again, take a nice deep breath in, say something positive about yourself, and on the exhale breath, say you cut all ties to negativity. Good. And again, take a nice slow inhale breath now, saying something positive about yourself. And again, breathe out, I cut all ties to negativity. And what you have done in that beautiful moment is the universe number 3 is starting that change, connecting to your soul inwards, changing your negative patterns to a positive pattern from the mind to the body and to the soul. Feel that positivity change, getting rid of that negativity, and that positivity is filling the space of what once affected you negatively. Feel that change with every breath that you do now. Feel that exhale breath releasing that negativity, releasing that no longer serves you, and releasing all that no longer deserves your time or efforts or worries to put you down. We are building you up, and we are making you amazing. And again, tell yourself that you are beautiful with the inhale breath now. Breathe in. You are, and say to yourself out loud or even in your mind, you are beautiful. And on the exhale breath, tell it to yourself again, you are beautiful. And again, take that nice inhale breath, you are beautiful. Exhale breath, you are beautiful. And one more time, you are doing amazing. Take that nice inhale breath, you are beautiful. And on the exhale breath, again, breathe out and say, you are beautiful. Well done. You are doing amazing. You are changing your mind, your body, and spirit to becoming more positive, more loving, and more caring towards yourself. And you should be proud of this. You should be feeling stronger, feeling better within yourself, feeling as if nothing can stop you, because you are amazing. And the last time now, with this inhale breath, I want you to tell yourself that you are amazing. And on the exhale breath, I want you to tell yourself that nothing is going to stop you. If you want to do with me, take a nice inhale breath now and tell yourself you are amazing. And on the exhale breath, breathe out and tell yourself, say to yourself, nothing is going to stop you. And feel that power, feel that energy all around you, and feel amazing. Feel connected to your mind, connected to the body, connected to the soul, and the soul's connected to the body and the mind as a perfect circle. And feel for once in your life that you feel connected as a whole and you feel indestructible. Nothing can stop you now. And feel and embrace all that positive energy and work together and have some fun together. And in this beautiful meditation, I want you to slowly bring back yourself from this beautiful meditation and this meditative state as well. You're going to start off by feeling the toes, being able to move your toes, being able to feel the bottom of your feet, being able to feel the floor or the shoes or whatever you have got at the bottom of your feet. Working your way up into your ankles, being able to move your ankles, working up way into the calves, into the knees, being able to move your legs, feeling as if your body feels happier and lighter and less painful as well. Feeling your thighs into your hips, feeling yourself and your nerves connect back to yourself, from the stomach into the lungs, into the heart, into the shoulders. Feeling all that energy now coming down yourself into your arms, connecting back to your physical body. Feel your elbows, your forearms, your hands and your fingers going back up into the shoulders and into the neck. Feeling as if you move your neck and your body very easily and more comfortable than you did before. Feeling your mouth, your tongue, your teeth. You can feel your cheeks, your nose, your eyebrows, the hair on the top of your head. And start to feel your eyes, being able to move your eyes and feel comfortable. And start to slowly open up your eyes and just relax. Feeling fully connected back to the body. Feeling yourself connected back feels amazing after that beautiful meditation. And may this beautiful week be happy and joyful for you moving forwards.